Hello my acquaintances, so today I'm going to be doing kind of like a first impressions review of the brand new Motorola Razr 2025. This is not the Ultra or the Plus. It's already a little bit unboxed just because I got excited and I wanted to see the color. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you the phone, like what it comes with, the process of transferring from the iPhone to this, and yeah, and some of the accessories that I had also got for it.
So, today I'm going to be day drinking and smoking cigarettes in a public park at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, which I am quite excited to do.
I don't know if I ever bought a brand new phone before. This is the iPhone SE 20 that I have been rocking with for 5 years. That was gifted to me. And I've been wanting to switch to a flip phone ever since I've seen that they are there. That is a thing that exists. But I didn't really want to switch to the Samsung one, so I was wanting to wait until the Apple one came out. Forgot that all of my nails had broken off except for one, and I'm not going to re-record it because that would be very inauthentic of me, even though that's kind of it. So, when you first open it, this is what... Oh, I also wanted to mention, I pre-ordered this phone, and that's why I'm getting it before the general release and showing you this video. Ooh, this is kind of holographic, the Razr thing. Oh, so yeah, I did spend my own money on this. This is gonna be a genuine review. This is what it comes with when you first open it up. It seems so big compared to my phone that I have before. But the whole point is that it's compact. It folds it down. So has this, which I think is like a warranty. This little pin, which might be to install the SIM card, but I am too worried that if I do that at home, like I did with my last phone, I'm either one, going to mess it up, or two, and it's just gonna stop. They're just gonna be like, nope, you've done something without our permission. So then the cord, and it is unfortunately just a USB-C to USB-C cord, which I don't like that things keep doing this because all of my power blocks are USB. Ah! Oh my goodness. So you see, oh my gosh, okay, the light is kind of fucking this up. So let me see if I can turn this down some. And you can see the green. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
It's green.
It's so pretty.
It's green.
Not remove the pre-installed screen protector as it will damage the display. So I guess there's like a screen protector pre-install. I just say the same exact thing. But yeah, so that's kind of cool. Wow, this is big. Green protector on there. You can barely even see the fucking thing. I don't even feel it moving my finger across. Yes. Very cool. You can see it like at an angle on the light. You see how it does that? But you really, I mean, look. And let me turn on the whole bright of the light. Oh, there's the color too. So pretty. Let me do it. Oh, okay. This feels wrong. Oh, am I... Oh, why does this feel wrong? Ah. Oh. 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 That's what it is. Oh, when it will fit right in my hand. Okay. Yeah, I like the color on the front. I like that little thing. That's a part of why I chose the older or the worser model, the cheaper one. I don't know. To me, that's plenty of screen on the front, and then you can see a little bit of the color, and it's fun. Oh my gosh, and that's the back. And it is this really cool material. It's like the reason why I waited for the 2025 to come out. I feel like the wrinkle is a little more noticeable now that I have folded it for the first time. I don't know if I just fucked something up completely, which I would feel very stupid if I did. I got this case. It is just a clear case because, one, I want to decorate the case all fun with like rhinestones and stuff. And two, because we need a clear case at work so that they don't think you're stealing your phone. Yeah, anyways, it's out. And it feels flat when you run your hand across it. Okay, so let me put this in here. Oh, so fun, so fun, so fun. And I believe these are the same size as last year, which is why this case works for it. Oh, so fun. So cutie and fun. Sorry. I'm gonna try to do this at home. It seems like Verizon might suspect it for fraud, but all I have to do then is go on the website and be like, it's not fraud. I got this connected to the bottom because I took off the case because I'm like, wait a minute, I'm gonna have to get the SIM card out. Let's see. And we're gonna actually see here if the SIM card is even gonna fit. And if it doesn't, you know, video over. Okay, so we're gonna have to phone closed and external display facing down. Push this in here to pop open. Oh, yeah, okay. Cool. Oh my gosh, these are not supposed to be handled as much as I'm handling them right now. And potentially, neither of them will work. So I really don't want to, I want to be careful here. Okay. And then I believe I just, it really doesn't seem like it's, I can now power this on. And we will power it on. This is this button. You know, the first smartphone my dad ever had was the Droid, the Motorola Droid, and it would go like that when you open it. And this bitch is gonna be covered in fingerprints, by the way, so I am so sorry. Oh, I forgot to turn off fucking iMessage settings. Ooh, I'm not even showing you it, and I'm not even looking at it either. Messages. Turn off iMessage. Okay. How fun is this? Hello, Moto. Okay. I'm going to be clicking start. Setting up using another device. iPhone or iPad. We're going to connect to this. Okay. Ooh, this is so exciting to me. It is so much bigger than the one, which is nice. I'm pressing firmly. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna skip doing this. I'm not doing it. I'm doing this later. Okay. I skip anyway. Next. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh! Okay, this is huge. I'm not gonna lie, because this might be huge and ginormous. Oh. Trust. Okay. Devices are connected, is what it's saying here. I'm glad this thing folds up because this is way too big a phone. I wonder if it's transferring like literally everything. Like messages, photos, videos. I have a ton of videos on this thing, actually. Never mind. Choose what to copy. Apps, contacts, photos, music and other audio, messages, calendar, notes, device settings. Yeah, I'm gonna do all that. Oh my gosh, I just thought of something. Is this not gonna transfer my notes within the notes app on this phone? Because I have a lot of notes on there. I think I'll still be able to access them, actually. I can just copy and paste them onto a Google. Oh, and there's QuickShare, which is the same as AirDrop, which was something that I was concerned about. Editing Waylon is gonna be pissed. Oh, but yeah, when it's on, also, like, you cannot see that line at all. Oh, I don't want to do this right now. Yes. So now it is telling me how to get my iCloud data, which is the large majority of my photos. So I will be doing this and use the Moto Migrate app, which somebody told me, or somebody told me, a fucking search on Safari told me that they discontinued that in 2015. Which, not true, because it told me just now that I can use it. The button feature, oh my gosh, this is great. Light, dark transition. I'm just gonna keep it on light mode. I know people are light mode haters, but I'm a light mode lover. I'm gonna hit finish right now. Stop! You will not believe what just happened. My background! Oh my gosh, and there's so much more room on this screen to put out. Got it. Okay. Is the Moto migrate? Is that just something already on here? Not quite yet. I feel like an old person right now. Just thinking right now. My Google account that I use is not the same email as my iCloud account because I used my fucking long ass email for my iCloud account and I didn't want to have to type that in every time for this one. I used my middle schooler email for this phone, and I'm gonna use my adult email, which ironically I made before. It was my first Gmail account. It was not my first email account. I had a fucking cable account first. Cable email account first. Oh my goodness. And I think that I am going to get the watch because the watch that I've been using as a heart rate monitor, it is giving me a rash and I can't replace the band because it's an off brand, so nothing fits, and I've tried like several different bands. So I will probably be ordering that also maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight. I don't know. So, like I said, I have a lot of shit on this phone. This is like 2 phones. This is like this is like 10 years worth of stuff on this phone, to be honest with you. Just about. So this will, yeah, I am using up about half of my storage. But I will be going through my photos and videos on here and starting to delete stuff. But I'm surprised with just how fast it's even like, you know, doing it. It's cool. I've been fucking around with it. I've been using it all day. And it does take a little bit of getting used to, especially because like, so that wrinkle's super noticeable with it, but that's what it like really looks like. It's just with the ring light, it's very noticeable, but you can't even tell when it's on, and you can't really feel it. Like it's definitely more prominent after like closing it and opening it a lot of times already, but it's like it's barely there. One of my favorite features, scroll down. You have to add this up, but you scroll down twice, find this, it will be all the way at the bottom, put it up to the top, and then you just scroll down. Look at this. How cute is that? And then you just type in the phone number if you know it, or if not, you can go like this, and it will open up your contact. Oh my gosh. That's how I've been making every phone call. It's so fun. And then you just can close it out and go back to normal mode after. Yeah, and then my other favorite feature is opening up Spotify on the front screen. Oh, wrong fingerprint. Okay. And also the camera on the front screen as well. You open up Spotify on there. And then like it does the whole album, or if you have it open on here and then you go like that, and it has the brightness is like all the way down. But yeah, that's really cute. So I think it's very nice, and it makes me like less on my phone because when you close it, it's like, you know, it's something very cool about it. It is a little bit funky with calls. I've been having to turn off my Wi-Fi to use the data, but then it kind of fixes itself out of it. I don't know. But my camera's about to die, so that's pretty much the review. Any more questions, leave them in the comments down below. I can do a follow-up video, or I can just answer the questions in the comments. So, you know to bye, subscribe, see you later, all you haters.